So excited. So excited. Look at that little suit. Gosh, Roundy. Let me grab that tail. Chichamata.
Like, oh, what is that?
Oh, let me.
It's like, oh yeah, Mama and Daddy did not close those holes yet.
Are those for my fingers? Are those for my fingers? Whee! Oh, that's a cute little suit.
And Sylvia gave her this shirt from her outing.
She's doing a little Ramsey celebration dance. She said, Ramsey, you sure are cool. Do a little dance.